how you make the homemade firework that I showed you in the last video is you need sparkling powder, little cracklers that you can get out of like fire knives and crackling bombs, and some stars from mortars. What you do next is you get your fuse, then you just stick it down in there, cut it about a couple centimeters up, like that. And then I always like to use sparkling powder first. So pour a little sparkling powder in. And what you do next, say I want it to crackle. And then say I want it to shoot a colored ball up. Hold on, I gotta make it a little more sparkling powder so that it actually launches. Then you get your 1 star. Oh well. And just drop it right in. Should fit if you get the 1 inches. If it doesn't, just force fit it. Make sure your fuse doesn't go down like that. And that's how you make the miniature fountain. Oh, well, I forgot one thing. You need to jam up the top with like a piece of paper. I use cardboard. It's just whatever you use. Alright.